Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to access your StraboField project in the Strabo web app. So I'm on the StraboSpot website here, strabospot.org, and I'm logged into my account. Under the account option, I can press my data, and this will take us to this page. Because I've uploaded my StraboSpot project to the server, it'll show up here, and I can see my individual data sets, but we also have the option here to view, edit, or add data. So let's tap that. And this opens up a pop-up menu. And we'll give it a second to load. And this menu here looks just like the tablet. So a quick way to get to your spots is to press the three buttons on the left here and zoom to extent of spots. And there we are. We also have all of the base maps or other maps we might have imported. I'll just switch over to the satellite view here to show you that it works the same way. And these are our spots. The satellite is just loading in the background here. And we have access to our notebook on the right, so we can go in and look at images we might have uploaded as well. I'll close that out. And here we can make some edits. We can even add new spots or polygons or lines, that sort of thing. It's all the same functionality that you will get inside of your tablet. So I'll close this out. And if you wanted to make your project public on this page, it's just a matter of tapping this button here. And when it's green, that means your project is public and is searchable. I'll talk about Strabo search and how to find other projects in the next video. But the other thing I'll touch on here is you can also create a new project. If you tap Add Project, you'll get this menu here, and you can define a new project, and then you can download that into your tablet. And it's worth noting that if you make any changes inside of this pop-up menu, those changes will not reflect in your tablet. So from the tablet, you'll need to download the latest version of the project from the server. Likewise, if you upload something from your tablet, it will overwrite whatever changes you might have made here. So you just want to make sure you're always working with the most up-to-date version of your project. Thanks.